Good afternoon and welcome to another 5-Minute Friday. So we just thought we'd
It's Tuesday!
Thank you, Alex, for that. We thought we'd nip out and do a short walk, about 4 or 5k. We parked up at Big Pit Mining Museum and we're wandering up towards Garn Lakes. Around Garn Lakes, back to sorry, just trying to tell me where to go. Round Garn Lakes, back to the Blaenavon Railway, and the, I think it's called Blaenavon Furnace is the stop. And from there, back down the railway to Big Pit by Kitey Tips, I think they're called. Then that'll be about it. So, have a wander around. Haven't really got anything in particular in mind to photograph. Probably some good competitions up at Garn Lakes.
Competitions?
Competitions? Good point. Compositions up at Garn Lakes. And we'll see what we can do. Let's go. Okay, so I think I found the composition. This is the top lake at Garn Lakes, so just lift it a bit. So we've got the sun coming from the left here, so it's light in the lake. The wind's picked up and it's starting to cloud over the mountain. Clouds are coming over the top of Kitey Mountain. There you go. So I need to be quick on this. So we're using f16 and an ISO of 80, and we're looking at about 10mm at present, and a shutter speed of a 15th of a second. So we'll take the shot and we'll see how it goes. Yep, that doesn't look too bad. I think we might be able to do something with that in Lightroom. Job done. There we are then, that's another 5-Minute Friday done. We're certainly rattling them off. Every opportunity going at present for getting the camera out and taking shots of the valleys while we're here. It's nice to shoot something other than the desert at the moment. So there we are then. Anyway, we'll catch you on the next one. Speak soon.